Good evening. I will speak for the Max Institute of Healthcare Management. It's very unfortunate that the healthcare sector is plagued with a huge supply deficit in all senses. In the healthcare provider space, a shortage of beds, shortage of doctors, shortage of nurses, shortage of paramedics, shortage of general domestic attendants, shortage of paramedics, and so on. It is still coming out of a cottage industry style of management. So at every level there is a constraint in facilities. There's a shortage of facilities, there's a shortage of manpower, and I'm just hoping that whether it is in healthcare management or it is through public-private partnerships or it is through even aspects of public health, that the Max Institute of Healthcare Management can help bridge even 5% of that shortage. I think it would have done a great job. So that's the idea, and that is ideally suited to be done under the ISB banner, because it's not only management, but managing the management that's important. Producing people, producing managers who can be a part of the healthcare delivery system, producing managers who can be a part of producing management students who can manage the healthcare provider space, producing managers who have the wherewithal to set up and promote the importance of medical institutions, medical colleges, nursing colleges, skilling facilities. The consciousness of management in healthcare, I think, is the central role that students coming out of ISB should build, should improve the awareness, so that all sections of society, government, private sector, public sector, wake up to understanding this supply deficit. And that can't be done by media, that can't be done by patients. It has to be done by people who understand the deficit, and at all levels, public and private, flag this as an important thing. In the United States, 18% of America's GDP is spent on healthcare. In India, 4% of our GDP is spent on healthcare. So the issue is not to get to 18%. Currently, I think the goal is just to get to the 5 and 6%. And there are many Indias, and Delhi is not India. So it's moving the needle on these things. So it's only, I think it's job of managers to address all these aspects.